Hey there viewers, looking for natural ways to boost your immunity? A strong immune system can protect you from several illnesses. You can prevent flu, cold and other infections just by switching up your diet. In today's video, we are going to talk about immunity boosting foods you should include in your diet. Of course, citrus fruits are on the top of our list. But why did we recommend red bell peppers? Is broccoli really good for your immunity? What about the health benefits of ginger and garlic? Is green tea as good as people make it out to be? We will be discussing all of these and more. Number 1. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C works as immunity booster. It increases the number of white blood cells produced in your body. The best way to get your vitamin C is through citrus fruits. Some of the more common citrus fruits include oranges, lemons and grapefruit. Your body does not produce vitamin C or store it, so you have to get it from another source. The recommended amount of women is 75 milligrams a day. For men, it's 90. Wondering how much that is? Well, just 1 cup of grapefruit will meet 120% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. Not just this, citrus fruits like grapefruit offer you lots of antioxidants as well. These antioxidants fight off free radicals. Before you get confused, let me explain to you what these free radicals are. These free radicals are produced in your body as a result of biological process like aging or upon exposure to pollution and sun rays. Free radicals damage your body cells. Antioxidants fight off these free radicals, as a result protecting your body cells from harm. Grapefruit also offers other immunity boosting nutrients like vitamin A. Vitamin A has proven to help protect against inflammation and several infectious diseases. What is your favorite citrus fruit? Which do you prefer more, grapefruit or oranges? Do you eat them on their own or in a mixed fruit salad? Number 2. Red bell peppers. While citrus fruits do have a good amount of vitamin C, there's no comparison when it comes to red bell peppers. For instance, when you compare red bell pepper to a Florida orange ounce for ounce, bell pepper has 3 times the vitamin C than the orange. Along with that, red bell peppers also have beta carotene, which your body can convert into vitamin A. This particular vitamin can help your eyes and skin healthy. Looking for answer on all the latest health and wellness news? Hit the subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Number 3. Broccoli. Not everyone likes the taste of broccoli, but that should not discourage you from making it a regular part of your diet. Broccoli is a rich source of vitamins A, C and E. It also comes packed with fiber and powerful antioxidants. When you eat broccoli, the best way to get all the nutritional benefit is to cook it as little as possible. Research suggests steaming broccoli will help most of the nutrients intact. You can eat broccoli on its own, whether raw or steamed. Lightly sauteed is also okay as well. Broccoli soup is another way to include this cruciferous veggie in your diet. You can also add broccoli to your noodles and pasta. My favorite way to eat broccoli is to lightly saute it with cottage cheese and tofu. Season with black salt and ground pepper and bam! Your delicious protein-packed broccoli salad is ready. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is an ingredient used in almost all diets around the world. It's popular because of the flavor it adds to the food. But more importantly, garlic comes with a number of health benefits. Garlic can help fight infections and also shows down the pace at which arteries harden. There is also evidence to suggest garlic could be helpful lowering your blood pressure. Garlic has allicin, the key compound that can help boost your immunity. Number 5. Ginger. Ginger is also a popular food for people who become sick. This particular food can bring down inflammation, which in turn reduces illnesses like sore throat. Ginger can also assist when you are feeling nauseous. If you are suffering from chronic pain, ginger can help decrease that as well. It also has properties that can bring down the cholesterol levels in your body. Number 6. Spinach. Everyone already knows that eating spinach is good for their body. This is not just because of the vitamin C. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants and beta-carotene. These help your immune system fight off any infections you may be exposed to. Just like with broccoli, the best way to get all the benefits of spinach is to cook it as little as possible. Number 7. Yogurt. Yogurts with the label live and active cultures are the good ones you should eat. This is especially true for Greek yogurt. These cultures help stimulate your immune system so that it can fight off diseases. Yogurt is also packed with vitamin D, which also helps strengthen your immune system. It's better to choose yogurts that are plain and do not have any flavors, as they may come loaded with sugar. Now before we continue, if you did not like this video so far, then make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Let's continue with the video. Number 8. Almonds. If you are looking for the best way to prevent colds, vitamin E is more effective than vitamin C. But since vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin, it requires fat for your body to be able to absorb it properly. This is where almonds come in. Almonds are packed with vitamin E and also have healthy fats in them, making them the perfect food for fighting off colds. You will need about 15 milligrams of vitamin E in a day, which translates to a half a cup of almonds. Number 9. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are another food packed with vitamin E. Also with this vitamin, it's also a good source of phosphorus, magnesium and vitamin B6. Sunflower seeds are also rich in selenium. Even 1 ounce of sunflower seeds will give you about half the selenium you will need on a daily basis. Research is still needed on whether they can also help fight viral infections like swine flu. Number 10. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the important ingredients in curries. It has been in use for centuries and these properties are particularly helpful in treating osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Studies have shown that turmeric can also reduce muscle damage caused by stressful exercise. This is because of the presence of curcumin, which gives turmeric the distinctive yellow color. There is evidence to suggest curcumin can also work as an immunity booster. Your immunity is so important to your health. Excited to learn more about boosting it? Let us know down below in the comment section. Are you planning to include these immunity boosting foods in your daily diet? Let us know in the comment section below.